on high alert as the monsoon that usually arrives in the month of June has arrived early, and we're witnessing heavy rainfall accompanied by gusty winds since the last few days. We are currently in Thiruvananthapuram at Kavadiyar, which is one of the prominent regions in the state capital, and as you can see, it's a very busy area. This is one of the regions that houses the residence of ministers and chief secretary and all the major officials. So it's a very prominent region, and many trees last night were uprooted. Branches of many trees, as you can see, the area is covered on both sides by trees, huge trees. So the branches from many of these trees, and also a tree was fully uprooted in the rain and wind that we witnessed yesterday night. The branches have been removed, the parts of trees have been removed from the road, and it's right now placed on the footpath. And the commutation has been made possible since morning. There's no issue as such when it comes to commutation restrictions or anything. But this is what you see. Along the line of footpath, you will find branches of trees lying here, as that was the intensity of the rain and wind that we witnessed last night. Thankfully, no major accidents reported in this, no major injuries reported in this. But across the state, we are seeing a lot of incidents of people losing their homes and their belongings in the heavy rain and gusty winds that the state witnessed in the last few days. A lot of houses have been collapsed. Incidents of waterlogging are also being reported. Remember, the monsoon has just started. We have a few more days to go for monsoon to end, so there's definitely concern as far as the people are concerned, as we have witnessed a situation like major floods and all in the past. So that concern is definitely there, but as of now there's no such flood warning is what the authorities are saying. But the water level in the water bodies are increasing, so the people living closer to the water bodies have been asked to shift to safer locations, to stay on alert and listen to the advisory of the administration. Move out whenever, as and when the the alert is issued. Today, the districts of Kannur and Kasaragod, both these districts are in the northern part, are on red alert, and Idukki district, which falls in the central part, is also on red alert. The other 11 districts are on orange alert. Now, these alerts will change as slowly we are understanding that from the IMD that in the coming days, the central and southern part of Kerala will start getting more rainfall. In the last few days, it was the northern Kerala part that got most affected. In the coming days, it might shift to the southern and central part is what we are being told. But the caution should remain. We have a few more days of heavy rainfall to come is what the IMD's prediction is. So the entire state has been put on alert. The administration and the various departments are on the ground, all prepared to deal with the situation if at all it gets worse. Both video journalist Tinku Rajshekhar, Shibimol KG for India Today from Thiruvananthapuram.